Hello and welcome back to this channel right now, right here. Alright, so right now I am about to list out some gigs for you to actually offer on your freelancing journey. I'm really sorry. Your freelancing journey and make more money for yourself. Yes guys, so with that being said and without any further ado, right now this is actually making money online, selling top 16 gigs on Fiverr and also Upwork here right now 2022 and 2023 and beyond. Yes guys, so with that being said, these are actually low content gigs for you to actually offer on Upwork, on Fiverr, freelancer.com, any freelancing sites, or even on your own personal brand. Yes guys, so right now I want to actually give you guys, and first of all you need to even know that even as a beginner, because this is actually low content gigs which can actually rank up there right now and make more money for yourself. With that being said guys, and I'm really sorry. With that being said guys, and without any further ado, if you're new here, you're welcome. To my top subscribers, welcome back guys. Let's get into the video. Hello and welcome back from that short break. Right now the first one on my list is no other, but first of all, please, if you don't know what freelancing is, for my newbies, sorry for cutting you short, if you don't know what freelancing is actually offering an online gig or online platform to someone who actually needs it, an online work or job to someone who actually needs it, offering it professionally to that person, hoping that you actually do it and you make money for yourself. Freelancing, so that's literally what freelancing actually is. So the first one on my list is no other one but personal social media manager. So first of all, you need to know that if you go onto Upwork or you go onto Fiverr right now and search for social media manager, you will see a whole lot of a whole lot of gigs or people who are actually performing or willing to perform that particular job right now, right here. But if you go on to and search for personal, if you put personal at that search tag, that's personal social media manager, if you put that personal social media manager, there is, I don't think it's even up to 1,000 people. And normally social media manager, I think there are over 50,000 freelancers on Fiverr right now, right here. So that's what I'm trying to tell you, and you actually make your first money. Even as a pure beginner, you can make your first dollar on freelancing within that same week, and you make a whole lot of money for yourself. As far as you know a whole lot of things, you know what to actually put in place. If you don't know how to actually do the social media manager, I have a whole lot of videos here on this channel. Just go to YouTube, search for Dominion Audu social media manager, or if you're going to be seeing a whole lot of like some videos which I've actually published on my channel here about social media manager or literally personal social media manager. Now just make sure you put that tag to personal on your actual title, or to so it will actually go far and make more money for yourself. The second one on my list is no other one but content development. So there are a whole lot of contents online right now or these days, yes guys, because everyone actually wants to go online, and this is where you actually come in. There are some people that which are actually newbies or don't know how to actually do this for them. So you can actually go to YouTube, go get free courses, because you don't really need to pay anything. That's just the truth. I am here to help. You don't really need to pay anything to anyone. You can go to YouTube, search for content development, or even search for anything. Let's say you want to go into video editing, or literally they are all content developments. They are in the content development stage, from the camera setups, everything. Literally you make more money for yourself using that on Upwork, on Fiverr, performing that freelancing gig. Yes guys, so that's the second one on my list. And the third one on my list is no other one but social media video development. Now literally what I said last was content development, but this one is social media video development. Now we have gone into the video niche. When creating content, you can create a course, you can create anything. That's literal content. Yes guys, but this one is, you have niched down something which is social media video development. Right now guys, there are a whole lot of people making videos online, even up to an hour video online. So these guys don't really know how to edit videos, or they might not have that particular time to edit these videos. So that's when you actually come in to edit their videos into YouTube Shorts, into Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, and so on and so forth. Make more money for yourself and help them grow online. Yes, guys. So that's the third one on my list, and the fourth one is no other one but fitness video. Yes, guys. I am also someone who actually loves being fit. Yes, guys. So you can actually do something. Let's say when you are going to the gym right now, you can literally take your camera with you or your tripod stand, anything. You don't even need to actually talk. Just maybe when you get home, when editing the video, you can do some voiceovers on your videos and it will go very, very well. Yes, guys, and you make more money. You know, there are some companies that need these videos, that which is fitness videos. They don't actually, some of them might not be actually fit because some of them are bosses up there with pot belly. Yes, guys. So these guys actually need fit guys and who actually can make videos and edit them very well to do that for themselves. Fit guys who go to the gym there, make the video there, and edit, send it back to them. They give you a whole lot of cash for yourself, depending on what you guys actually demanded or what you guys actually came about. Yes, guys. So the next one on my list, this is actually the fifth one on my list, and we are going to 16. So you can take your pen if you haven't taken your pen, or watch to the end of the video and also watch back again. Yes, guys. So right now, this is the fifth one, which is the video advice. Yes, guys. So there are some people that don't know how to actually create videos, or there are some newbies, if I'm actually to say, because I said earlier on this video that this video is actually for newcomers or new beginners, for beginners only. Yes, guys, even a pro can actually watch this video and learn somehow a lot of things here. Yes, guys. So if you are actually going to that niche, which is video advice, now what you're actually going to be doing is that there are some people who actually need advice on what to actually put in place, what to do about their video, so on and so forth. I can see one of my lights at the back. I got that advice also from one of my guys. Shout out to him. He said I shouldn't mention his name here or something. All right, so the next one on my list is no other one but videographers. Yes, guys. So videographers are content creators who create video, literally create videos. Now, you can create a commercial video. Yes, it can actually be a commercial because it's actually like a company video or something, who are willing to pay you a whole lot of money. I have actually done all these stuffs and they are paying. Yes, guys. So commercial videos which you can actually create with using your camera, like what I'm actually using to shoot right now, using your phone. You can also use your phone to shoot, or using some drones. Now you can take drone shots. There are a whole lot of people who are willing to buy. Just put yourself online, put yourself as a videographer, as a freelancer on Upwork or on Fiverr, and you make a whole lot of sales for yourself with time, yes, and expertise. You need to actually, be an expert on what you do. Make more research on YouTube, Google, blogs, and so on and so forth, and you'll learn a whole lot. If possible, you can buy courses from reliable sources. Yes, guys. So the next one on my list is job description. Now there are some people that does job online but don't know how to describe their job, or don't know how to fix in their descriptions. Now you can actually come in for that, or come in for them and help them break in that, and it's not actually going to break their bank, but you are making, let's say if you get 3 jobs done right now every day, let's say you get the video description done for 3 people every day, and you charge $25 or even $30. That's over $90 every single day if you're getting 3 jobs every day. Yes, that's every single day, guys. You're making a whole lot of cash for yourself. Yes, guys. So the next one on my list is no other one but ad copy, which is actually adverts copy. Yes, guys. So advert copy is actually no other one but, should I say, there are some advertising companies who actually are perfect in doing adverts or targeting the preferred audience. Yes, guys, it's very, 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 very important as far as you are online and you are trying to sell something online, or trying to reach out on some particular audience. Yes, guys. So like, for instance, let's say you're on YouTube, you actually need to be do your research very well about your copy. Yes guys, that's about your video. If you're on YouTube, on blog, all of them actually have their niche. You can research about that and learn more for yourself. You can make that money, a whole lot of money for yourself. The ninth one on my list is no other one but the business infographics. Now infographics is like creating info in graphics, like in a picture. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, like in a thumbnail. That's if on YouTube, just something like thumbnail. Now that image which you see before you click any video on YouTube is called thumbnail. Now that's actually like an infographic. You get, so you can actually do that for business owners and you make money for yourself. Now there are also Amazon infographics. Now Amazon Kindle publishers actually need these infographics also to make more sales for themselves. It's literally saying what you do in a graphics or in an image for yourself. Yes guys, so the next one on my list is actually Instagram infographics. Now Instagram infographics are Instagram peeps or Instagram people who actually need this for themselves. Also, you can actually, let's say you are a business owner on Instagram, you have an Instagram page with a whole lot of followers, and you need to sell something there. You can actually, or you need to do something particularly about that time. It's just, this job is actually like a graphic designer. Just write something on an image. Yeah, that's it guys. And then the next one on my list is actually, as you all know, this is actually from business, from the 9th one to the 12th one are the same, almost the same infographics, but in different niches. Yes guys, so you can actually do a whole lot of things, just twist them and you make money for yourself online. Yes guys, so the next one on my list is actually Systemi.io sales funnel. First of all, what is Systemi.io? Systemi.io is actually an email marketing tool which helps you send bulk messages or bulk emails to much people. That's if you're in the email marketing niche or program, you actually know what I'm talking about. Yes guys, you can actually research about these, and if you have any interest in it, you can make more money for yourself. Applying for these jobs, putting out your gigs on Fiverr and Upwork, and you make more money for yourself by using the Systemi.io sales funnel. Yes guys, so the next one on my list is no other one but puzzle and game creation. Yes guys, so this is actually something you can actually do also and make more money for yourself. Puzzle and game creation. You can actually go on YouTube or on a blog or Google and search for that, so you know how to actually do that. I don't think I will talk much on that in this video. So the next one is actually article to video. Yes, now let's talk about bloggers. It's still in the article to video niche, or still in the article to video topic. Bloggers right now, they write on their computers. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. They write on their computers and publish it to their website. Now that's what they call blog, or that's literally bloggers for website, because there are Facebook bloggers right now, Instagram bloggers, YouTube bloggers, so on and so forth. But if you're actually in the YouTube, it's not actually blog, it's vlog. That's, some people call it vlog, but it's vlog. I don't know what you can call it, but tell me what you think it is in the comment section. It's actually vlog or vlogging. Tell me in the comment section and I'll catch you right there. I'm actually there to reply all your messages on my comment section. Yes guys, so that's actually what I'm talking about. Now these articles, they need someone to actually create a video scenario about that article which they have actually created rather. Now when you create it, now these guys, you are going to be charging them a whole lot of cash on that blog or on that particular video which you are creating for them, and you make more money for yourself. Seriously. Yes guys, so the last but not the least on my list is actually meditation video. Now meditation video can be in any form. You can actually do it in yoga. I don't know if you know what yoga means, but I'm sure you should actually know what yoga means. You can actually do the meditation video and make more money for yourself. So that's it for this video. If you love what I do on this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. That green subscribe button, but it's actually showing gray, which is actually showing subscribed. Thank you very much for subscribing, and also turn on the bell icon to all so you could get notified by YouTube whenever a new money making videos is published to this channel. With that being said, guys, and without any further ado, if you're new here, you're literally welcome. And to my channel subscribers, welcome back. That's it for this video. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.